Hello everyone, we are the group 4 constituted by Milaric Arthur, Ange Carmen, Ange Christie, and Abigail Cuevo. You are watching our video assessment on the Danone company. So, a brief presentation of Danone. So, the Danone Group is one of the world-leading agri-food companies, which is also part of the CAC 40 with a turnover of 19 billion euros in 2011 and is the world-leading supplier of fresh dairy products and medical nutrition. The activities of this French agri-food group are centered around four poles: fresh dairy product, bottled water, medical nutrition, and infant nutrition. So you can continue to sustainability performance of Danone. So you have stakeholders, environmental value, social value, and economical value. For the stakeholders, first one you have shareholders and customers. So so as not to dwell on this table, I'm just going to talk about economical value. You have the value create and the value destroy. For the shareholders, the value create is Danone has a strong leadership position in all its market, unique portfolio of strong brand, solid execution capability in terms of innovation, brand activation and development of the new distribution channel. You have non-value destroyed. And for the customers, you have the value create and the value destroyed. For the value destroyed, passage of COVID-19 and the value create, you have creation of value, its goal, organic. So, the second one, for the stakeholders, you have worker in suppliers and planet. In the same thing, you have you are talk about only to the economical value. For the economical value to the working in supplier, you have strategy reach for the value destroyed and the employee motivation to increase the sell force for the value create. And for the planet, you have non-value destroyed, and for the value create, Danone made a lot of money because of ecological position, because many more of people want to eat bio and want to preserve the planet for the future generation. So we can see the order on the PPT files. You have a performance assessment. For the performance assessment, you have the value create and the value destroyed. For each sustainability, performance, environmental, social value, economical value. For the environment value, you have very high value create, high social value, and high economical value. For the value destroyed, you have low for each part: environment value, social value, and economical value. For the to continue, you have a graph to make form on the performance of Danone. You will see to this graph, environment value create is very high, or environment value destroy is very low for the value destroyed to environmental value. So to continue, you have then for the industry, we have multi-dairy product, and the name of this industry is Dairy Industry Worldwide 2019. For this industry, you have assessment of our industry attractiveness. We can see that you have very low attractiveness. The dairy industry worldwide is an industry which has many competitors on the market of yogurt, but and it is an fragment industry, and this made him the best competitor is sector. So it is very good because this allow it a very big to achieve profitable objective. So it have a very low uncertainty because of its strong competitor and therefore profitability remain low. And to continue, you have the so for this part you can see Danone position in relation to the five force of Porter. So you can continue to the analysis of Danone.
In this part of VREN analysis of Danone, um, a relevant resource and capability of Danone. Firstly, a customer base of 15 million, promote entrepreneurship, promoting open science, international presence in 120 countries, brand reputation, organizational culture, and product B Corp certificate. Then the resources according to the VRAN analysis. For the resource according to the VREN analysis, uh, we have the evaluation of these resources, which is variable, raw, imperfectly imitable, non-substitutable, or competitive advantage. Then we have also the continuation of our table on the 7 point state previously. In this part of strategy assessment of Danone, we have the strategy statement, which concern the improvement were observed across all strategic business units and geographical area. Company even exceeded the objective set. Danone currently constitutes one of the most dynamic companies in the world in the food processing sector. These last few decades, the company has evolved considerably, considerably as regard its SBUS, geographical market and managerial practices. In highly competitive market, we have competitor of Danone, which is Nestle, Kraft Food, Unilever, etc. The company was able to adapt in order to pursue a group strategy or and stand out among the world leaders in its industry sector. Danone's mission is providing healthy food products to as many people as possible. Then we have the same criteria for strategy assignment. You can see on the table the, the, the suitability, acceptability, and the feasibility. For the criteria for strategy recommendation, we have um, the opportunity uh, where the market emerge and barrier, new market for child nutrition, proposal for a new organic product, uh, commit, commitment to the environment, and for the acceptability, it is committed to the high food quality and safe food standard, defending a sustainable ingredient for naturalness and transparency. For feasibility, the co-creation of solution with others, um, leveraging their experience, work with Danone employees, farmers, supplier, retailer, and customer partner.
To continue to this part, it is the end day. So we have the list of reference that we use to carry out of this work. So thank you for watching.